Hello again. So this is dimensional analysis part 2. We were just in the middle of a calculation when my timer went up. So let's finish this up. Gosh, we were down here, weren't we? Okay, so what is the mass in grams? Density. So density can be used as conversion factor. We said that you can't just do this because the inch is cubed and the inches don't cancel. So then we have to cube this whole center part. And then because this 3 is outside of the parentheses, we can distribute it in. So remember math, distributive properties. So that would give us our 2.00 inches cubed, which is from the beginning. We've got our conversion factor here, our 2.54 centimeters for every inch. But in order for these inches cubed to cancel, I need to have my conversion factor say inches cubed, so that this unit actually does indeed cancel with this unit. That's why it's a good thing to look at the units to tell the math as well. Now, because we cubed everything, we also cubed the units, so centimeters cubed now cancels with centimeters cubed. Perfect. And we're left with grams. Now, see this little cubed right here? That also applies to our 2.54 cubed. So because we had to cube our centimeters, cube our inches, we had to cube this number, we also had to cube this number. Well, 1 cubed is just 1. All right. Now, practice with me as we plug this into our calculators. And you probably can't see the math there, so bear with me with technical difficulties. There we go. Getting fewer. That was our previous one. So I'm going to do my 2.00. On the top is the 2.54, so times 2.54. We've got this cubed, so this happens to be my button there. We've got 2.54 cubed. I don't know what calculator you have for the exponent, generally the little caret, and the number will give you powers. And then we're also on the top, so 19.3. So top means times our 19.3 equals 632.540, etc., etc., etc. We started out with 2.00, which is 3 significant figures. We're just multiplying, so we need to keep 3 significant figures in our answer. So this would round to 632. The 5 rounds up, so 633, our unit would be grams because that's what's left. Okay, so let's try that again. Go back down to my slide that I need. Okay, that was our math. Our answer would be 633 grams, which is what we said. Hooray! All right, for additional practice on dimensional analysis, we'll see it again in stoichiometry, but you'll have some on your test for this batch. See problems 1.45 through 1.58 on pages 36 through 37 in your textbook. Remember that any problems that are highlighted in red have the answers in the back, so I would suggest looking at those so that you know if you're doing it correct or not. Awesome. Thank you for bearing with me, and see you in class. Bye.